guys? I just got the Tacoma Lifestyle Form lighting, and I'll be changing these ugly chrome ones. I've hated those ever since I got the truck. You know how they are. I've got that ugly chrome on the side. I mean, I really don't mind this part. It's just the chrome that I hate. Every time I look at the back of the truck, it drives me nuts. So we're gonna be changing that on this video. So first impressions, these are beautiful. It says on the box that it's plug and play, so there shouldn't be too much of a hassle. Alright, some tools we'll need is a 10mm socket. We're gonna unbuckle this one and this one right here at the very bottom. Grab from the side right here, pull out, just like that. Take all these connectors off. Okay, so you just take this off and you should be able to connect it. The bulbs, the same for these two. Just be careful not to break any of the plastics. Clips on there. There. Seems like they're all clipped on there just fine. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn on the truck. We'll see if it works. As you guys can see, the difference. That's the startup sequence. You can definitely tell that one is way brighter than that one. Alright guys, there's the differences between those two. I'm going to install the one on the left, and then I'll show you guys the final product. They look great off camera. These things are bright. The Form LED lighting package, it is literally plug and play. That's pretty much it. Next mod is going to be the TRD cold air intake, so stay tuned for that. Guess I'll sell them if somebody wants them. So these are the TRD off-road. If you like these, they're not bad. Let me know if you want them.